Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be fixing a bandsaw I got. I'm going to just sort of restore it back to its rightful place, I think. I don't know how much I'm going to actually get done. But basically, I got a bandsaw from a car boot sale for £5 whole. I was told there was a brand new blade in it, but when I got it home it wasn't, and it was broken, and it was yada yada. It's fine, £5, you know. So I'm going to look to see what size blade it is, what needs to be bought, and we're going to get all the bits we need, and we're going to clean it up, and we're going to get it back to, you know, how it should be, hopefully. Before I get on, I'd like to thank my patrons. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate everything you've done for the channel. I really do. If you'd like to join them, all the links are in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so here it is, and it's a bit worse for wear. It's got rust on it, and it just needs a little bit of fixing, let's say. So the first thing I want to do is open it up and see what's damaged inside. Now the motor definitely still works, but that's all I can guarantee. Yummy. Okay, so yeah, okay. So the what's it called, band? The friction band is broken, and so is the actual saw blade. And it could do with a little bit of a clean. So let's hoover it out and clean it up, I think. Oh, it's like caked on in places. Okay, that's a better starting place. Next we want to get the friction band in and the blade in, possibly, but I do have to clean this up, and that's going to be quite a job, I think, because it's quite caked in there. Okay, so I've given it a good clean out on the inside. There's still little bits, but you know it's going to happen. It looks like there's loads more in here than on the camera than there actually is in real life. It seems to be reflecting back and making it look real bad. As I say, all of the electronics work. I am tempted to just fire it up very quickly to see if we definitely have good motor power, etc., or if I need to change that. Let's do that now, shall we? Right, like I do with everything electronic, it's always up through my remote control first. So power on. Let's see if anything zaps or pops or anything. Nothing. Okay, and off again. Perfect. Right, and that is spinning like a beaut. Silent like ninja. Okay, I'm going to unplug it again now, and then we'll start putting all the bits on that we need to. First thing I'm going to do is put these on, and this was difficult to find. I eventually did, after finding a website that does like all the old, like lesser known models of bits and bobs like this. They said that this is a little thicker than the originals, but it works. They've tested it, so who am I not to trust them? Okay. That's on. Next thing, the bottom one looks like it's absolutely fine, so I won't touch that at the moment. And now we need to put the actual blade on. Now again, the blades were very difficult to locate. I'm hoping that they are the right size, but before I can take them off, I actually need to take this bit out. So I might see about taking this out to just see if it needs a clean. Yeah, I'm going to take that off quickly. Okay, we'll give it a bit of a clean. It's not too bad in there. Okay, it took a long time to be able to get and find blades of the right size. This whole bandsaw just seemed to be made of things that are not quite the right size and shape. So yeah, a lot of research online, and yeah, it was fun. Let's have a look. Still got my fingers crossed that they're the right size. Okay, I think I've got the tension right. I'm going to close it up and we'll give it a test. Again, I'm going to use the remote control just because I don't trust myself, to be honest. I am tempted to paint all this and everything. Oh, let's tighten that up as well. Yeah, I'm tempted to spray paint all this and make it look nice, but I'm not sure whether I will or not yet. That definitely needs some work. First test, didn't explode. Second test. Okay, I had a lot of scraping, scratching, horrible sounds. This is just the brush sound down here, but I need to get a bit of high temperature lubricant on all of the bearings. Okay, now it's just a case of cleaning up the fence and sticking this bit back on, and if I don't stick this bit back on, it's going to be slightly, you know, crooked, so I definitely need to. So I've got a bit of isopropyl alcohol to give it a quick clean down. Clean the whole thing while we're there. Now I haven't got any kicker or activator, so I'm just going to have to do it the old-fashioned way and actually wait for it to dry. I know, sad times. You can tell I'm a poor YouTuber. That'll do. I'm going to stick a clamp on it, if I can. Is that in the right place? Yep. Okay, there you go. It's all stuck and beautiful. And now we have a working fence. And I was fiddling with the table, and I ended up removing loads and loads of sawdust from it, and now it's solid as a rock and perfect. So I think that's where I'm going to leave it. I was going to spray paint it and everything, but I just don't think it's necessary for what I'm going to be using it for, which is an upcoming build. So make sure you're subscribed. See you soon. Okay, so there you go, £5, well, £5 plus the bits I needed to pay to get it up and running again, but I've got a little baby bandsaw and it's perfect for me because we don't have a lot of room, so it's perfect to be able to, you know, do all the little tasks that I'm going to need from it. And I'm doing a van build at the moment, so it will come in absolutely perfectly handy. Anyway, thank you so much to my patrons, thank you to you guys for watching, see you again soon, bye for now.